everyone, and welcome to What's Cookin Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis, and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making chow mein. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over our ingredients. You'll need a half a cup of veggie stock or water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water for later, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. You'll also need about half a cup of ramen, 2 tablespoons of shredded carrots, a tablespoon of diced bell pepper, 1 tablespoon of green onions, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. So we're going to start by adding our noodles into our large microwave safe mug. I'm going to break this one just a little bit so that it fits down inside, just like that. And we're going to add in our half a cup of veggie stock or water, whichever one you prefer to use. Our oil to keep our noodles from sticking. And we're going to pop this in the microwave for 3 minutes until the noodles are cooked. Once it's finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing because the mug may be hot. All right. Now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to add in our carrots, our green bell pepper, our green onion, our grated ginger, and some garlic powder. We're also going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Next, we're going to add in the 2 tablespoons of water and our 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And give it another mix. Oh, it's flying carrots. Oh, that looks so delicious. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 2 minutes so that the veggies can cook through. Once it's finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug because it may be hot. Look at how delicious this looks, guys. I can't wait to taste this. As always, my favorite part, the taste test. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so good. I hope you try this recipe at home, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and would like to see more, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cookin Mug Edition. Bye, guys.